Hi, I'm Sean Martin, President and founder of Donick Snowboards. It is June 30th, 2012, and I'm here to give you a little update on what we've been doing this summer. I'm actually really excited right now. I have just, for the first time, die cut this base right here. Actually, you can see it better that way. While the machine behind me was tapering these two cores. Actually, I die cut a couple bases. Anyways, we have spent the last few weeks upgrading our CNC capabilities. The machine behind me is a ShopBot machine we bought in 1999, and this machine I'm standing in front of right here we bought about 6 to 8 months ago. It's also a ShopBot, and what we're doing with these two machines is streamlining how we produce the parts that go into the snowboards we build. First off, we've completely overhauled the machine behind me. We have essentially a new circa 1999 ShopBot that is running in top-notch condition, completely overhauled. Everything works great. It's got a new controller on it. And a second Z-axis, so now we can run two completely separate operations on that machine. In the past, when we've taken your order might have sat in our computer system for a week to 10 days before it actually went to production. The reason for this was because we wanted to make things in batches. By doing so, we reduced our setup time when we made your board. This is because we had one CNC machine to make all the different components in each board. That machine had to be set up to die cut a base, broken down, reset up to cut a base to shape, then broken down and reset up again to cut the core, broken down, reset up again to taper the core, and then broken down and reset up again in order to cut the metal laminates that go in the metal boards. This is all very, very time consuming and results in a need to do things in batches so that we minimize the setup per board. What we've done now is we've set up two different stations on each CNC machine and essentially eliminated all of the setup time. What this means is when you place an order, we'll print that order out the day we take it, and within 24 hours all the components will be cut for that board, because we don't have to do things in batches anymore. We can do them one at a time. We can throw the core down and shape it, throw down a base, die cut it, put the core on the other station, taper it, bring the base back and cut it to shape, and then cut our metal, and we've got no setup time. We can be working on multiple things all at once, and we don't have to set up anything. The benefit to you is faster lead time. We should be able to deliver a custom board in 7 to 10 days instead of 2 to 3 weeks. And it means greater consistency from us. It means if we don't have to reset up the machine every week, there's less chance for errors. And that means fewer delays in getting your board out the door. So we're really excited about these new capabilities next year. I hope you are too. It means we're going to be able to do things far more efficiently than we have in the past, and get you a board, or get you the board you've been dreaming of in a really short period of time. So I'm really looking forward to next season, and I hope you are too. It's going to be a good one.